Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I am pretty well, thank you.
Do you enjoy watching movies?
Yes, I do. I really enjoy watching a movie in my free time or at the weekends. I feel it helps me relax after a stressful day or week at work.
What are some of your favorite types of movies?
I love thrillers most, especially the ones with a nice storyline and interesting twists. I also like movies with historical and mythological storyline. I enjoy watching biopics too.
How often do you go to cinema to watch movie?
I go to cinema to watch a movie quite often, at least once or twice a month.
Do you spend a lot of time on watching movies?
No, not really. I, however, used to spend a great deal of time watching movies when I was a student, mostly with my friends. We watched all kind of movies. We'd stay awake all the night and keep watching movies one after another until we'd fall asleep while a movie was still on.
Do you prefer foreign films or Bangladeshi films?
I like watching both. I think that the Bangladeshi films keep us connected to our culture and roots. And through the foreign films, we get knowledge about other cultures. Both are an equally good source of entertainment.
Do Bangladeshi people like to go to cinema to watch a film?
Yes, Bangladeshi people like to go to cinema to watch films. It is evident from the increasing number of multiplexes that are opening in every city and are almost always full of people.
Have you ever watched making of a movie?
No, I haven't, but I'm really interested in it and would like to see how they really make a movie.
Are movies a popular mean of entertainment in your country?
Yes, they are. Most of the people in my country enjoy watching movies and spend a great deal of their free time on it.
Do you think the contents of movies are changing these days?
Yes, I do. I think the contents of movies change from time to time. Some movies these days depict real events, whereas some are completely fictional. There are a lot of science fictions and animations there these days with absolutely imaginary contents which depict unreal and surreal events.
How do you think movies affect people's life?
Well, watching movies gives people exposure to people of different races and their cultures. Watching movies may help you relax and deal with stress. Some movies may even encourage creativity and help fight negativity.
Do you think working in the film industry is a good idea?
Yes, I think it is. The film industry is really a large industry and there are a number of different professionals required to make a movie. It's glamorous and an exciting field to work in and, of course, the pay is good. If you've certain skills, it's a good place to work in.
Should children be allowed to watch all sorts of movies?
No, they shouldn't be. I believe there should be certain restrictions. There are certain movies which contents or the language might be inappropriate for the children and children shouldn't be allowed to watch these movies.
Oh, look at the time. I've got to get going. Take care. Bye.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Subscribe.